These are the components that you'll find in the TSL reader box. If it is a combo unit, it'll have a scanner unit in addition to the RFID reader, but you put it together like this. You find the basic head, see some contacts there that's got to match up with the battery that's here, so we'll put the battery in. And then there's a cover plate. The cover plate goes in a very specific direction. You'll hear a snap there. That snap has to happen. You take the handle, slide it on the back side. Take the head, slide it down, and you'll see that it starts to glow or blink blue. That means it's searching for a Bluetooth partner. At this point, we don't have any, and we'll go through the sequences on this in a different video. It comes with a USB cable, which connects in the back to your PC, and you don't do that until you've installed the driver on the PC, which is what we'll show in the next video.